farm just outside of Norwich, but there is no one around. So I've just been waiting at the gate to see if anyone comes, but hopefully they'll come a little bit later on. I'm just having a snoop around the farm basically because no one's really around. So I will show you what there is. Day one of filming permaculture content hasn't really gone to plan because no one is around. We just arrived at the field and there's a lot of space around. The sunshine's really bright and we're just outside of the city centre and it is very calm, can't hear any traffic. You can just hear the breeze in the background, but there is nothing much more. So this farm is a pretty interesting one, and the reason why I wanted to go is because we do a lot of ecotherapy work. So they help to reconnect people with farming or with animals as well, and they do art therapy too. So it'll be amazing to have a look around and meet the owners and see what they do. So I'm gonna try the gate just one more time to see if anyone will let me in. If not, then we'll try again another time. So while I was on my way down here in the car, then on the radio, Andy Catto from Grudamada was playing, and it felt like a really kind of poignant moment really, because he does a lot of farming in France, and he set up Wild Farmed, which is quite a large organisation where they bring together a lot of farmers from all across Europe and they farm wheat in a way that is regenerative. But he's really helping to build the regenerative movement, and he's also DJing as well. Like, he came to Groundswell and he's kind of a figure of the movement. He also went on Jeremy Clarkson's farm also. So yeah, I think it's really for me it's quite powerful music for what we're trying to do. So I'm just gonna have my little breakfast. I always eat these naked bars because they're amazing. I always have the chocolate ones. I have so many in my cupboard. I just have a whole batch order and they're so good. Like if you want chocolate or something, and they've got dates and all sorts in. It's really nice. So I wanted to talk a bit about why I'm so passionate about regenerative farming, and it's essentially that I think it's one of the biggest solutions that we have for climate change and biodiversity loss, and it's one of the main solutions that actually involves people as well. I mean, most of the other solutions that we talk about conserving, stopping consumption, etc., and reducing our impact, but this is something that is actually a positive action that we can do. Like, we can get more involved in growing, in planting, composting. It's an activity where you're actually interacting with the nature and you are actually supporting it. You're supporting biodiversity, you're supporting the living creatures where you are, and you can connect with other people while you're doing it. It's a really natural place to connect with others. Like, it could be on a local community garden, or it could be a community farm as well. But it enables you to just have a really natural conversation of, you meet people from totally different walks of life. You're not forced to socialize in any sort of specific role, if that makes sense. It's not performative. You're just being sort of humans together, and it's quite fun. So I just think it's an amazing solution to actually enable us to bring health back to the soil and also to our guts as well. Like, the way that the food is grown, it puts a lot more nutrition back into the soil. So, and then in turn, the fruit and vegetables, etc., that are grown in this way are so much healthier for you to eat. And there's more and more research coming out about that. So I think it's an awesome solution, and there's more and more spaces like this that are popping up everywhere. So I just want to show you as many as I can, basically, so you can see for yourself and then hopefully try some yourself as well. Okay, I'm heading back now. I'm finishing my breakfast. No one is here, so I'm just going to email them, and hopefully I can do a visit next time, and maybe do some more videos. Did you?
Yeah.
So I just had a really cool morning in the end. I found a couple of people who are working at the farm next door, and they invited me in to have a tour around. I met some little ferrets who were actually very cute and cuddly and playful. They kept trying to go up my trouser leg. And I met some horses as well. They basically do a lot of horse therapy. And yeah, met some little chickens. They built a whole hut for them and they were really fun. They made me a cup of tea. We had a sit down. They told me what it was like working here. Yeah, just have to turn up and see what happens. But that was really cool. And I've offered to make them some social media videos as well, so hopefully I can promote what they're doing as well, so they can get some more schools involved and hopefully grow more as a business as well. Hi. It's gonna wake everyone up.
Going straight to the moon. It's the first thing I do every time I wake up. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Whoa. He's hungry.